Overall rating banners are a quick and easy way for potential customers to see how many people have bought from your brand and would recommend others to your store. It is also a great way to build trust with your customers. In your Farrah dashboard, go to Configuration, Widgets, and then select Overall Rating Banner. Now you can customize your widget. Once you've finished customizing your widget, click Save, then Install Widget. Select Home Page, Automatic, and finally, Finish. For other installation methods, check out the link in the description. Now you can see what this widget will look like on your website. Now I'm going to show you how to install the widget using the Shopify editor. After clicking Install Widget, click Home Page and then Shopify Theme Editor. In your Shopify editor under Apps, go to Add section. Under Apps, select Store Overall Rating, then click Save. Now, go back to your Farrah dashboard to finish the installation. If you have any questions or are in need of further assistance, please contact our support team and they'll be more than happy to help you.